Two mice, one left-handed and another right-handed. At the same time. I would like to have two mice connected to my computer, and have one mouse left-handed, another right-handed. And not needing to change any settings for using any of them. I googled for this and did not find some information, but nothing helpful. Somebody suggested to have two accounts, some other suggested a shortcut that changes mouse buttons over. I did not like any of that. And I remember, I saw somebody using their laptop with right-handed touchpad and left-handed mouse. At the same time. There is no option for different mouse to be configured different. I think I need to install some mouse drivers/software that allow different configuration. Is there anything like this available? Many thanks in advance. PS using Windows 7 Pro, one mouse is Fujitsu, another Sansrom. Update, I'm not going to use both mice at the same time. One at a time, but both connected all the time. I would like to switch hands to avoid CTS. Also to stop coworkers swearing on my left-handed mouse, when they try to show me something on my screen. They will ask about two mice instead.
This looks like a job for AutoHotkey. Rather than reinvent the wheel myself, User Global over at the AutoHotkey forums has already created an application that does exactly what you want. Either mouse. Multiple mice, individual settings. New features means either mouse isn't just for lefties anymore. Leave two mice on a PC and automatically swap buttons on the secondary mouse. This allows a user to leave a left-handed and a right-handed mouse always connected and ready to use, or useful for a multiple user or public workstation with both left and right-handed users. The active mouse is detected and buttons are assigned accordingly and immediately. Individual settings for multiple mice besides swapping buttons like cursor, speed, etc. New experimental multi-cursor mode keeps each mouse's location separate. Easily swap mouse buttons from system tray if only one mouse is desired. Tray icon points to active mouse.
I do exactly this to avoid repetitive strain on my wrists. It works in Windows 7 if the mice are different brands and you install the manufacturer's software for one of them. Then you use the generic Windows control panel to assign mouse settings, then use the manufacturer-specific software to change settings for one mouse only. You will have two mice with different button configurations controlling one cursor. It works with very basic mice, too. For example, I did it with a Dell Cheapo mouse and a low-end Microsoft mouse, using the MS Mouse software, probably coded for higher-end mice, but works on all of them apparently.
I would think that you would need two different major branded mice, as a vanilla mouse would use the default HID compliant driver as shown. Rather with two different mice, let's say a Microsoft mouse and a Logitech mouse, the drivers would be different enough to allow the different settings on each. I would not think it will work with any vanilla no-name mouse. I'm not sure if that software referenced here would work, but it may be worth a try.
If you use two mice that use two different drivers, both mice might possibly work with a single cursor. As I understand, This is actually your case, but your problem may be that you have the same driver for both mice. An AutoIt free solution is in 2 mice equals 2 cursors in AutoIt. Dating from 2007, I have no idea how it performs today. A commercial product is Plural Input Basic, €28.95 and still in beta testing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.